All right, what everybody wants, road turd work.
All right.
I don't know why they want road turd work, but okay, we had a road turd. What year was this thing again?
This is 04.
04. So last year we did what?
Last year we completely rebuilt transmission, new clutch, all new bearings, and everybody.
So all the power drive except for the motor, because the motor we did the year before.
No, it was last year.
We did everything last year?
Yeah, remember you left before I put the top end on.
Oh, okay.
We didn't get to start it, which sucked.
Oh.
All that footage, and I had to put the top end together after you're
Okay,
gone.
well, we're not going to tell you what it sounds like now because we're working on it again. Okay, it runs though.
All right, so what are we going to do?
So we did a top end on, we did a cam set, we did all new cam drive tensioners.
We went from 88 to 95.
Put a big bore kit on it, we did a little bit of head work on it. We did a butcher valve job.
Modern heads.
We put the 06 heads on it with better ports.
Yeah.
So we beefed up with all stock crap.
Better, it's got better springs in its stock, obviously, than the
So we
88.
surfaced the heads backyard. We did the valve job backyard.
Yeah, I did.
We did all that stuff backyard. So go watch those videos because I do it cheap.
Completely pulled all the transmission apart, put the bearings in it.
So we left the case in the motor. We left the lower in the motor and the frame. Did everything else in the motor. Yeah. We did the whole tranny. We did the whole rear suspension.
Nope.
Didn't we?
No, we did all new swing
all
arm
the swing arm
bushings.
stuff. I think we put brake pads in it too.
We put a new belt on it.
New belt, new all shit.
Clutch.
New clutch, that's primary over here. We did all that stuff. Yep. So now we're gonna work on the front end and we put rear shocks.
Injection stuff in it because I was having trouble with that. So we went through all.
Oh, you did that later on, but
I did that before, I think.
You did that after we left. So we're gonna work on rear shocks and then we're gonna take the whole front end off and do neck bearings and everything.
Box shocks on the front.
Those things over there.
So they're cartridges.
Yeah, cartridge front end.
Bearings.
And what are those shocks, Legend you got?
Legends on the back end.
Now don't buy cheap Legend shocks and send them back to be rebuilt because it costs more than new ones, right?
You'll end up with just as much as you were new or more. That's how that works out.
Yeah, so
Lesson learned.
but no warranty.
And you don't have lifetime warranty. There
Yeah.
you go. So we'll see what we think of them. We'll put some miles on them and see how they hold up.
Okay, so we got the hoist off.
After their rebuild, they only warrant them for 90 days. I'm sure
You've had them for 90 days already.
we're probably out of warranty their rebuild. They obviously don't feel great about their rebuild warranty.
Yeah, it sucked.
It is what it is.
Okay, so we gotta pull nuts off here.
Yep. Half-inch stuff like we
You don't have to put this back?
You can't afford that kind of stuff around here.
I thought factory was clipped in.
No.
That's how the old bikes had them. You mean the new bikes that got crappy ass hardware and not disconnect like old bikes? Quick disconnect will go back to the beginning of time. Harley's that cheap. Well, you got a stupid ass wrench on this side too.
Yep. You got a good wrench back there.
Yeah, I got that covered too. My hand is not fitting there. If this thing was so high in the air, I could reach it. There we go. I got in there now. How many miles are on this now?
I've put about 3,000 miles on it since we did the motor work, and I think we're like, so that's got to put us somewhere around 62,000 miles.
It's broken in.
About 62,000.
I heard these early rotations run forever.
We're gonna find out. This has become my work truck. F1 has moved into our city as of last year, and it's chaos with them. It's usually like a 20-minute ride into work, which can balloon into like an hour now. So this split lanes and get there. I just throw the hardware in the bag and so.
Precision you dropped in the bench. too is very good. Maybe this one's pulled up. Get it out of here. Click that in, it doesn't fall
Get
out.
it out of here. What'd you do?
I spit on it.
Look at that. Look at the damage he caused to this thing already. You see
I
that?
scratched the shop, too. I scratched the shop too, it's all scraped on. We can do the shop right now, it's right here.
We can do whatever we want.
Yeah, right here, right in front of us.
Right there in front of your face.
We just as we're built, it's already loose.
Oh, we got, it's gonna be another thing, we got the moons that we can put in there. There was half moons, you know, to adjust that.
Oh, the axle upgrade.
Yeah, the axle upgrade stuff. We got a bunch of cool little parts we're gonna put on this to go along. We're gonna put a new motor mount on the front. Oh, I guess what I didn't tell you was, the bike runs great, but
Yeah, it's worse.
it feels like it just wants to smack me on the concrete. It's got this, right around 80, she's got this little, just enough to make your butt pucker, like she just wants to take you and smack you on the concrete.
What's the speed limit in Vegas?
Somewhere around 80. That's how I know. It's got that creepy dyno wobble, you know, whatever you want to call it.
Road turn.
Road turd wobble, geezer glide wobble. We're gonna try to remedy that with some parts. First and foremost, we're gonna put some suspension on it. I've got Kinetic Structures front stainless steel motor mount. I love these. I run it on my FXR.
Use it?
I was breaking a lot of carburetor support brackets before I put this on.
Yeah, I'll say it was aircraft mount. Okay.
I love them. So it's going to go on this bike, see if it helps us at all. Another product we have here. Probably want to get that on a lift.
Yeah.
Alloy Art.
I want it lowered anyway, I like it lowered.
I don't know. We're going to see what we think about these. These go inside your little rubber bushing that goes on the back swing arm. This is supposed to take some of that slop out of it. Some sort of polymer insert, right? I'm excited to try these. We'll see how they work out. So you got that going on.
How much will you get this like new shocks at 60,000 miles on?
Yeah. Hey, OEM.
They got
We'll
oil in
make you a really good deal on them.
them. They still got oil in them.
They don't work very well.
I like this bike better over, it's a lot lower. I mean, it's nice. It's starting to look like a Harley.
Low riding. Low riding.
It's better. You only need one shock anyway, that's all you need.
Good enough.
So you get another shock for this?
Probably shouldn't have done that. We're gonna get too low. I can't get it up. Yeah.
What do you mean, it's got air shocks, pump them up.
All right, we can.
It won't pump up though because the line's open. There's an air leak right here. What do you mean it won't go under it? It's a road turd. Why won't your lift go under it?
Probably get this little garbage lift on it. Could cost us our life.
Not my life.
I don't know if this is even gonna get under there now.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
perfect. Put it all the way to where far as you go.
You got a bracket there. You can't. Otherwise, you're gonna be lifting on the oil pan.
Put a piece of wood under it. We just don't want to pull the front
No,
wheel
you
out.
can't. You don't got room.
Okay, go for it. We just want to pull the front wheel out.
Unless you like. Unless
You got a couple
wanna go on that
straps?
bracket.
Where's your straps at to hold the front end down?
I guess we could go on that bracket if you want to.
Just put some straps on it. You're lifting all the way the bike up, so it's going to want to lift up.
See that? You want to go on that?
What? Go underneath? Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt it. You're going from one side to the other. How are you gonna hurt it? You're not pushing the metal.
Yeah.
Perfect. Go for it.
Strap her in.
Remember I had to beat that thing back flat before because somebody else lifted it there? What are you guys doing over there? Yeah, you go. Right. boy. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. You're knocking the cage over. You're knocking the cage over. He's trying to get me. He's going for it. Where's your tool? Crank away. Look at that quality stand there. I like how it goes one way and then the other as you go up. That's pretty neat.
Why don't you do things on an angle, you know? Should be
That should be enough right there to put your shock on it. I think we're higher than stock now. I think it was that high in the air. That looks like crap that high in the air. That's 2 inches higher than it should be.
I think I'm gonna look like half an inch taller than.
What are you doing here? What the hell are you doing? Why are you not going to the handlebar?
What?
Why don't you go to the handlebar we belong?
I didn't like
You have to go up there like that. That ain't how you do it. That's how you use these straps. Here, pull this thing back off. You got, watch out for your instrument cluster. Okay, get it off of there. Pull it off. Okay, now you take this thing, you go around here. Put it on there like that. Bring it down. Hold on. Twist 2 times around this. Like this. Yeah, pull on it. If you need more length, just move it up higher. There you go. Soft tie. Now, if you don't want it to move on the handlebar very much, you put a second loop on it. And it wraps around the bar and it holds it on the bar. Like a real soft tie would do it. Or you can buy a set of soft ties to go with your straps.
We ain't got that kind of money.
That's why you do it this way. Well, I see you went for like the $10 straps, so you should be pretty good. You didn't get the $5 straps, you got the $10 straps, so. So you bought $15 straps, it'll work better.
You're a little short for what we're trying to do here.
What do you mean you're short? I don't understand what your problem is. What's the problem? Looks good to me. I already got the bike in the air anyways, put the shocks on it. You gonna redo that already? You didn't like how the other one was done? You like this new method better? You can go around the cable, it doesn't matter because you're not on the cable. You can go right around this cable because the cable's in the sweet spot when you go around. Right now you're going to pull down on it because you're not on the sweet spot. So put it back up.
These will be just fine, just like this.
There you go.
What, you want another? What you're saying?
No, one's fine.
You help me then.
You're not moving on the rack. If you're hauling the vehicle, I like having a bit more holding power.
This one's even shorter.
Take off the second loop. That's good, right there. You need a couple more inches probably. I would invest in more than a $10 strap, so.
I've got longer ones.
It's only a
Just
$10
cut these
bike,
off.
so yeah, it's just a road shirt, doesn't matter that. It's not like it's worth all that much, so you're okay. That's how you do it. That's right. All right, we'll be back in a minute.